3, 2, 1, go.
A square,
computer, a candle,
a file,
Dynamite.
a
a birthday cake,
Submarine.
a boat,
a hat,
Florida,
a firecracker,
Jar.
a sun hat, a person in the sun,
Alaska. Wait, an elephant.
Yard.
like volleyball,
Noah's Ark.
submarine,
Arizona.
5 seconds.
An oil rig.
A spaceship. A spaceship.
UFO. Aliens.
Oh, time's up.
Signal.
what was it?
It's a helicopter.
Helicopter's on fire.
You can have a seat and come back up when you're ready.
Oh.
We're up to you.
You're the first contestant to go through all 30 seconds.
a helicopter.
Grandma thought it was
Even Allison got her idea across quicker.